So we are in the user, so username is Yash. So we are managing the accessing rights here. So we have sales, accounting, website, human resource administration, like that all things. So in sales, these are the settings that we can select. If we select administrator, point of sales administrator, projects, if we have more projects then we can select them. Let's select user here. In accountings, invoicing, bank, verify, users, website, so these are various settings. Preferences, languages, time zones, notification, handled by email or handled by Odoo, whichever option we select. This is a e-signature or email signature of the employer. This is security feature that we can active that, like that.